Whether it's fashion photography or a catwalk captured on film, choosing the right video template to showcase clothing and accessories and presentations is crucial to business success. In this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Fashion Video Templates for Premiere Pro Countdown, we've highlighted a few of our favorites. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. White Fashion Promo by Trans S Max X. If you need a modern, clean design to complement your forward-thinking fashion industry exploits, look no further than this fashion video template. There's space for editing with text, images, and videos, so all bases are covered. Number 9. Trendy Fashion Promo by Quaz. Promote your upcoming fashion show in style with this template that has been specially created to capture the attention of even the most disengaged audience. Geometric elements, glitch effects, and colorful design aspects make this a seriously stunning video template. Number 8. Stylish Stomp Opener by Braxu. The number 8 addition to our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Fashion Video Templates for Premiere Pro list will leave a striking impression on any viewer. The big, bold typography is essential in helping this template for Premiere Pro absolutely rock the catwalk. Number 7. Fashion Promo by Murs. This glamorous template is perfect for promoting clothing and accessories via social media advertising. Smooth transitions between frames and modern design elements only add to the overall appeal of this asset. Number 6. Social Media Stories by Black Motion AE. Utilizing this template pack to tap into the power of social media stories is a surefire way to boost sales, gain new customers, and keep consumers engaged and obsessed with your fashion designs and products. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and ring the subscription bell to show your support. We've got plenty more content like this in Envato Elements Top 10 Best Fashion Video Templates for Premiere Pro Countdown for you to access via our channel. Now, let's find out the top 5 entries. Number 5. Dynamic Fashion Glitched Logo Opener by Proskorovsky. This stylish template is full of bold, glitchy goodness that's completely on point for the trendy fashion industry. Use this opener to introduce your latest clothing line, promote a sale, or open a fashion show TV broadcast. Number 4. Fashion by F-Line. Using this template with dynamic transitions, beautiful color effects, easy customization, and stylish design elements, you can create stunning videos for your e-commerce site, YouTube channel, or social media story. Number 3. Minimal Promo by iMinimalist. Modern typography, a cinematic video style, and a minimalistic vibe all work together in this template to create a presentation that is perfectly suited to the fashion industry. Whether you're a photographer, professional editor, small business owner, or something in between, this template is pure gold. Number 2. Modern Stories for Premiere Pro by Powerbank. Tap into the urban grunge aesthetic of this fashion story template pack to highlight all the best features of your streetwear, sportswear, or casual clothing brand. Number 1. Fashion Promo by Major Off. Use photos or video footage in this template to promote your new fashion label, create a highlight reel of a recent fashion show, or simply put together a dynamic, modern portfolio of your fashion photography and videography skills. This template is versatile enough to suit every need. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know in the comments if you would use any of the entries on our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Fashion Video Templates for Premiere Pro Countdown in your next project. We'd love for you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. You'll also find that the next video in the queue has been selected just for you. Check it out before you go or risk severe FOMO. You can find all the best fashion video templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. you've now got the power to successfully run and market a fashion brand. Go wild!